head slow, then you gotta move your feet. People gon' stare, but I don't care. And I know it's only cause they know.
All right, so I'm gonna try something new, filming a day in the life 100% with my Meta Ray-Bans. Maybe it's gonna be dope, maybe it's gonna be whack. Let's see. I'm on a little secret vacation with my girls. All right, thank you. Appreciate it. How was breakfast?
It was good.
Yeah.
My favorite part was the omelet.
My omelet was good. What kind of omelet did you get?
I got tomatoes, peppers,
Yeah. No cheese. Yeah, fuck that. I had mad eggs. I had mad sausages.
How did you have mad eggs?
Because I went and I scooped a bunch on.
You got the scrambled eggs.
The scrambled eggs with the sausage. Then I had an omelet, basically a Western omelet. You know what I'm saying? And then I had a bunch of fruit. People don't know you can eat berries on keto. Then I had salad. People don't know you can eat greens on keto. Yeah, people ain't that smart. Most of them.
Yeah, you gotta talk to them.
I think I eat the most fruit and the most vegetables of anyone you know.
I know girls that are big on fruit.
Do they eat as much as me?
I haven't been that with someone forever, but when you buy like in the supermarket, when you buy like the clear plastic, especially watermelon, go to like the beach chicken pool. We had like an event, picnic.
But they only do it for an event, man. Them hoes ain't eating as much as me. I don't think they doing it as much as me.
Listen, you right.
Who you know eat more salad than me? I eat at least 2 big salads a day. That's me. So this breakfast was about, that was most of my net carbs for the day.
You always do that. On vacation, you always go overboard with the breakfast, and then when it comes to dinner, you're like...
Then I'm out of macros. I got half my protein for I got half of everything I need for the day.
But yeah. Because breakfast is the famous meal.
Breakfast is my favorite. Desayuno. Desayuno para hombre. All right, so where are we going now?
Going to Bar Harper Shops.
What's there?
All the stores we like. Yeah, LV, Sandy, Chanel.
Thank you, appreciate it. I'm Brandon.
Brandon?
Yeah.
Yada.
That's the one you like?
That's the one.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Whoa.
It's hard to find.
What?
Take a look at the model.
Got a couple carrots around my neck.
You like this one?
And somebody how boxy it is.
Really? That's what I like about it.
The boxiness?
Yeah, because it's just like, it's just unique, you know? You don't see anybody with these watches.
Oh. The blue inside is pretty cool.
That's a new bracelet, right? It's nice. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's almost like too pretty for me. I feel like it's not my style. Like it's too beautiful. So I got this shirt.
Oh, you have this one?
Yeah.
This one's really cool. It's a nice summer.
Yeah.
You have the classic, silky.
It has matching cans.
I have some Lassie fashion shorts. This is nice pillow. T-shirt.
We don't have t-shirt.
I had this one.
Yeah, I'm in your town, I'm coming your way, just wait up.
You just went in Gucci. I ain't see nothing I liked up in there, you know? I wasn't really feeling.
You have some cool trunks, but you have enough of them.
I have like 7 pair of Gucci trunks. So what I got here is cauliflower and Wagyu. It's not a whole lot of Wagyu. It's only 2 ounces. All right, so she's eating, what is this?
Rice, fried rice.
Fried rice. I got a cappuccino iced. So I'm gonna put Splenda in it. She got some Wagyu short rib as well.
You made ice? Okay.
Nah, I made some coffee and froze it in ice cubes and then used that for my iced coffee so it didn't water down. Fucking brilliant. Why I gotta come up with all the good ideas?
I don't think you can sell coffee cubes, bro.
Yeah, I don't think it's a lucrative business idea. But if I was like if I was in charge of Starbucks, if I was Johnny Starbucks, I'd be like, yo man, why don't we have fucking coffee ice? Ice made of coffee. Keep the flavor.
So what did we do today?
First, we went to the buffet and ate, you know, a bunch of food.
What did we do here at Bar Harbor Shops?
Then we came to Bar Harbor Shops. I was down to buy some watches today, but if you want a Rolex or an AP, you gotta put it on the list. You gotta play this fucking game with these guys. So I put myself on the list for Explorer 2, the white dial. My boy, white boy Brian, head of my sales team. I bought him the black one. And then I saw it, like, I like that thing. She saw the snake watch she liked, Revulgary.
The serpent?
The serpent. And I saw the Octopomisi. I thought it was cool. Then we went to AP. And of course you can't just buy AP. So they put me on a list for these 2 offshores. She tried on offshore too. You gotta play the game with these guys, man. That's why I end up buying all my shit, most of my shit secondhand, because I don't be wanting to wait. But now that I got enough watches, I can wait. So I'll wait for the call.
What was your favorite watch out of all the watches you saw today?
I think that baby blue AP was my favorite.
Baby blue AP? Really? Not that white Rolex?
I like the white Rolex, but you say my favorite, you know? I like the new Rolex, the Land Dweller. It was cool to see that in person. If they said I could buy that, I would, you know.
Okay.
Had to change right quick, because now we're going to the beach. You had to give her my shirt so the children will see them tees in the lobby, you know what I'm saying?
I don't dress appropriate look on the beach. I don't know who booked us with kids.
Everybody trippy, yeah, we coming, yes, they're back. Yeah, we walking with a body bag full of cash.
So we came out on the beach, you know what I'm saying? Chilling. Beautiful out here. And I ordered some shrimp cocktail. Perfect keto macros. Well, not perfect, ain't no fat, but it's still good. Just out there in the water for mad long, you know. While she took a nap on the beach, I was out in the water. Negro agua. Time for dinner. So what I'm doing is, got this tuna tartare, and I'm gonna dump it all on this plate. Find out how many ounces it is. People don't think I really do this at restaurants, because y'all stupid. I ain't never lied to y'all. I don't have to, I'm just awesome. 7.5 ounces.
So how's your tuna avocado tartare?
Delicioso.
I can see from how fast you're eating it.
What you got here?
We got some baby back ribs with some truffle fries.
Okay. All right, so now we got this herb-crusted salmon. I don't know how many ounces that is. Came with a little salad. I want to see if ChatGPT can guess how many ounces that is, but I'm still gonna wait. So ChatGPT says it could be 6 to 8 ounces or 9 to 10 ounces. So it's just gonna give me every number so it can't be wrong, I guess. If we split the difference, I guess that'd be like 8. What I do is I zero it out, boom, put it on this plate, and then lift up the salmon, and it says 8.1 ounces. So I guess ChatGPT wasn't wrong, but it gave me every number. So like, how could it be right?
What's that there?
I got some green tea. So I drink like 2 or 3 cups of green tea per day. I read that in LL Cool J's book when I was a kid, that he drank a lot of green tea. All right, so we back in the hotel room. I'm gonna eat 2 of these protein collagen bars from, it's gonna be called Perfect Keto. They used to be called keto bars, but they changed the name to this. So that leaves my macros at this, what you see here. 206 grams of protein, 133 grams of fat, 45 net carbohydrates, with about 2,282 calories. So listen, when you motherfuckers say you can't stick to your diet while you traveling, I just want you to know, I think you a pussy, because I just did it. You just saw me do it. It wasn't difficult. You just soft.
All right, tubbing up.